Good morning, boys and girls. Today you have come to the first reflection number talk for your term 4. So, as per the previous days in this week, you will be finding your number sense activity on Seesaw. So please find that and complete these 8 activities on your Seesaw post, on your template. Okay, there is a video on there to explain it. But I am sure you are all aware of it because you have been doing it for the last 3 days amazingly. Okay, so once you have finished this, you will then move on to your number talk. So our strategy number talk. This is where we reflect on what strategies helped us throughout the week. Okay, some rules. You may only input a maximum of 2 responses. Please write your full name. You can disagree or agree with 3 other students by clicking on the thumbs up or thumbs down. And please don't spend longer than 10 to 15 minutes on this activity. So some of the sentence stems can be found in the middle of your screen here. I noticed this week that the strategy I used this week was, another strategy I used this week is, I knew this week's strategies because, my solutions this week were correct because. So I might do an example, and when you come to this, I see that I have to open the Padlet link, so I will open that. And I am brought to this screen here. I can see my sentence stems in the middle, as well as the 3 other number talk images we used. So I can see that in this number talk, I used strategies about counting. I used repeated addition to count the red balls, the white balls, and the blue balls. Then I use time strategies here, and I use patterns and 2D shapes knowledge here. So if I was in for green, I would write under for green, for red, under for red. Let's assume that I am in for white. So I would use my sentence stems. I noticed this week that I had to use strategies involving repeated addition. I had to use time strategies. And 2D space, which means circles and squares. Whoop, that's not right. 2D space strategies and knowledge. And I would post that to show my teacher what strategies I used throughout the week. Now, if there was another post on here, I might be able to agree or disagree by giving it, I can't see it, by giving it a thumbs up or a thumbs down. You could also write another one. Okay, so you could say, my solution, I knew this week's strategies because we practiced these topics last term. I have successfully used 2 of the sentence stems found in the sentence stem box to communicate my mathematical knowledge and working out about the last 3 number talks. I hope this helps Year 4 because we really do want you to get into the rhythm and pattern of communicating your mathematical knowledge, because it's one thing to know what an answer is, but it's also another thing and a harder skill to communicate how you figured out a problem. So with that, thank you Year 4 and good luck.